Hey everybody, Fred here, TFG Media. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can control age-restricted content on a YouTube channel. So for instance, if you have young children that you may or may not want them seeing certain types of videos, YouTube makes it very easy for you to age restrict content. And so if you're interested in learning how to do that, stick around. Let's get going. Okay, so before we get going, I do want to say if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, smashing that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new videos, and giving me a thumbs up if you learned something in this video. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you probably have young children and you're a little bit concerned on what they are watching on YouTube when you're not looking, and rightfully so. There's a lot of content on YouTube that really is inappropriate for young children. And so what this age restriction mode is that you can turn on and off is really, relying on YouTube's AI to filter certain videos based on whether or not you have restricted mode enabled or not. And so very easily, how you can turn this feature on or off, presumably you got to be signed into your account. If you're not signed into Google or YouTube, then you really can't adjust these features. You have to be signed in. And so what you want to do is you want to head on up here to the little icon, and right at the bottom of this drop down, you'll see it says restricted mode is on. Now, of course, I've turned it on because the title of this video is how do you turn restricted mode off? And so to turn it off, all you have to do is click on that, and you can see what it says here. It says this helps high potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. So that's basically YouTube's disclaimer saying, hey, we do our best to make sure that when you have this on, it's going to hide these mature videos, but nothing is 100%. So, that's kind of their, we're not responsible if something gets through type sentence there. So to turn off restricted mode, all you have to do is click this little slider, and that's it. You can see YouTube's reloading now, and I've effectively turned off the restricted mode. Now again, you could turn it on just as easy and just go here and put that slider back on, and away you go. So like I said, this video is really showing you how to turn restricted mode off. However, to turn it off, to turn it on, it's really the same process, and it's very, very simple. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please do give me a thumbs up, leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel. I'm full of useful tips about this kind of stuff, YouTube, social, web design, website building, so all kinds of good stuff. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.